guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing for more videos, and thank you for your support. Stay safe and stay happy. Bye! Hi guys, today we're gonna make some fish curry. The ingredients you need are fish, onion, garlic, ginger, curry powder, paprika powder, and coconut mix or powder mix. Let's get started. First, fry the fish. Then saute the garlic. Saute until it's light brown. Add the ginger, then the onion, wait for a while. After that, put the coconut milk. Wait until it boils a little. Let's put curry powder. Then add the paprika powder. Stir it and let it boil. Put pepper, then put fish sauce to taste. Then add the fish. Let it boil for a while. Viola, it's ready to serve. Hi guys, today we're going to make fish curry. I'm Meryl, and today hi guys, I'm Meryl, and today we're gonna make fish curry. The ingredients you need are fish. The ingredients are fish, onion,